Welcome to the installation guide for the EasyFix RCC module mounting structure. In this video, we'll take you through each step to securely and effectively install this structure on RCC rooftops. We start with the base clamp. Position the clamp on the RCC block. Secure it with anchor bolts to create a stable foundation for the structure. Next, attach the column and side bracings to the base clamp using M8x80 hex bolts, nuts, and washers. For added stability, insert our custom-designed teeth washers to ensure a firm, slip-resistant connection. With the base ready, it's time to mount the H-bracket on top of the column. Secure it firmly with M8x70 hex bolts, nuts, and washers. Now, install the second H-bracket. Attach it with both the front and rear side bracings using M8x70 hex bolts, nuts, and washers. This step adds additional stability to the structure and ensures it is reinforced on both sides. Next, we prepare the rafter. Start by placing the M8x30T head bolts, nuts, and washers into the H-bracket first. Once the bolts are in position, carefully slide the rafter onto the T-bolts and secure it tightly. This rafter now serves as the base layer for the remaining components of the structure. Repeat the same process for the second H-bracket and rear H-bracket. First, place the T-bolts onto each bracket, then slide the rafter into position, ensuring it's secured tightly. This ensures all layers of the structure are aligned and reinforced. For enhanced structural strength, install the back diagonal bracings between the rows. These bracings reinforce the structure, ensuring a stable and durable assembly. To add lateral stability, install the purlins onto the rafter using our specially designed purlin clamps. These are secured with M8x30 hex bolts and nuts, and some washers keeping the purlins firmly in place and preventing movement. Now, it's time to mount the solar modules on the structure. Begin by securing the end clamps at both ends of the solar panel. These clamps hold the panels firmly in place, preventing movement and ensuring that they remain securely anchored. The end clamps are installed by aligning them with the edges of the solar panel and rail, then tightening the M8x40 Allen bolts. Now install the mid clamps, placed between the solar panels and secure with M8x40 Allen bolts and washers, maintaining proper spacing and alignment between them. With the end clamps and mid clamps securely fastened, your solar panels are now mounted and ready to provide reliable energy. We provide the best quality and technical support you're always looking for. Your 70% project cost is resting on 3% structural cost, so don't compromise on 3%, choose wisely. Sunrack Technologies, anchor your investment safely.